Today is Wednesday, February 21st, and this is a bowl of all three of the dehydrated vegetables. I'm rehydrating it in water. I decided to give the spinach another chance. I'm going to make a cup of soup later. I probably didn't even need to rehydrate it since I'm making soup out of it, but that's what I did. So here is the soup I made with all the freeze-dried veggies, and I put, remember last night the Reuben in a bowl that I made for dinner? Well, I used canned corned beef for that. I know, don't hate. And so I used the other half of that can in this soup, plus I did 1 egg dropped in. And salt, pepper, ginger, garlic, and oh my goodness, and chicken bouillon. And it is really good. Really good. Wow. And easy. And hot. I'm at Home Depot, and I'm going to attempt a project today that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and that is to finish my ceiling in my van. I just bought this white particle board wood skin type stuff and some insulation. So follow along and let's see how this goes. For all of you that remember last year, Chuck the mountain goat, yeah, that's him up at the top of that mountain there. Oh, yeah. He got to his first goal, which is the cross, and now he wants to check out the couple caves that are up there. So I had to make some adjustments with my Reflectix, which has been on my ceiling for, over a year. And I'm going to put, in addition to the Reflectix, this, I think it's 3/4 inch foam insulation. I'm using spray glue. Let's see if you can, yeah. Spray adhesive. I added spray adhesive under the Reflectix, and now I'm going to glue the foam board to the Reflectix. I have 2 pieces of foam insulation up, and I think I'm going to measure for my first piece of wood. Add the wood. I used the spray foam insulation for the ribs. I can see a couple spots I'll need to touch up. Unfortunately, I broke the tip off, so it wasn't as easy to use it as it should have been.
Yep.
Is it the big?
That line right at, I believe that's the line. Point it at me and let me recheck. Yep. I'm back up a little before you start it.
start on the other side. cannot even believe I'm on that line. That's crazy.
Watch your fingers.
Oops. My hands aren't quite big enough. Awesome.
Perfect.
Thank you. I put the Reflectix and the foam board up between these ribs, okay? And then the paneling, the wood, is going to lay flat against the ribs and the foam board.
The other one, what was it, 52.5 we cut it? Hopefully this one should be, yeah? No, we'll have to go longer.
Shoot. Well, that didn't go well. I'll have to fix that with some... Yeah, those... That's gonna be good, have to be good enough because
Looks, yeah, looks like it's fine.
yeah, except this one didn't even,
Oh.
because it broke the board, but that's okay.
Yeah.
I have 2 panels up, and I have one more piece of foam board cut for the front part around the fan. At some point I will get transitions to cover the seams. I don't know what yet, but we'll see. Moo Moo, are you helping? No, Kaiser wants to help. So, Chuck, actually, I've been meaning to ask you, Mr. Mountain Goat, how was the hike up there?
Oh, it was pretty good. We had a good time.
Did you find caves?
There were a couple of little...
Indents.
Indents, but not really caves.
Do you think that back in the olden days anybody lived up there? It's kind of high.
There might be a couple on the inside of the rocks because the rocks are huge and you can get through the cracks, and then there's open areas.
Really?
Yeah, you could. It's a nice windbreak up there.
Okay. Okay.
And there's a cross there, so it was kind of neat. There's a Bible.
There's a Bible?
Yeah, dedicated to someone that probably passed away.
Oh, that's very nice.
Nice that they did that. Memento.
Yeah.
Right up there.
Yep. Right up. There.
Just go to bed drunk.
We don't know where they came from.
Or just get drunk and not give a shit. Exactly. Oh, she's filming. Nay, Winnie.
They're beautiful. Hi, sweetheart.
Back to the horn.
Oh. Okay. This is our beautiful camp.
Ain't no paper bag for that one.
And
Like a plastic
thanks
bag?
for watching, everybody, and we will see you tomorrow.